Interzum is the world's leading trade fair for furniture production and interior design, where innovation meets craftsmanship.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Held biennially in Cologne, Germany, this prestigious event brings together global industry leaders, designers, manufacturers, and material experts to showcase the latest trends, technologies, and sustainable solutions shaping the future of living spaces. From cutting-edge materials and smart surface technologies to visionary design concepts, Interzum serves as a powerful platform for inspiration, networking, and business development. It's not just an exhibition. It's a hub of creativity and collaboration that defines tomorrow's standards in design and production. Whether you're a professional in furniture manufacturing, interior architecture, material science, or product innovation, Interzum offers unparalleled opportunities to connect, explore, and transform ideas into reality. Interzum is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.